Hair removal sprays are the most convenient and painless way to remove unwanted body hair. That much you're convinced of. Now, there are quite a few hair removal sprays in the market, so why choose this one from Bombay Shaving Company? Here's why. Bombay Shaving Company's hair removal spray removes all hair in one wipe, unlike other brands, which aren't that effective. So, in their case, you need to reapply, wasting both time and money. This product has an irritation-free formula that works even on sensitive skin. Extensive lab and consumer tests supervised by a qualified team of dermatologists has ensured our product is way superior to others in the market. So unlike them, the chances of redness or irritation are much lower. Bombay Shaving Company's hair removal spray comes with a better nozzle action for an even spray that reduces wastage and saves money, unlike competitor products where the uneven spraying leads to wastage. So there you have it. Go pick up the smoothest, easiest and most effective hair removal spray that's out there. Bombay Shaving Company's hair removal spray. Hairless, no stress.